Hello and welcome to day 3 of the Spooky Advent Calendar. We are on the 21st of October, so we have now got the rundown to Halloween. I know I've got children that break off school at the end of this week and we're going away for Halloween, so we'll get into it. So, oh no, we're a day ahead there, day 3. Thought that was round here somewhere. 18. Ah, it's this one. I absolutely love this gift bag. I wish I'd had them to put my Halloween sweets in, because I have already prepped all the Halloween sweets and bags ready for any trick or treaters we might get. I feel awful at them in this. So pretty. Here we go. Oh, I can see any Stokes, like any Stokes. Oh, that is nice. That is a glass. So, and Stokes and Lisa Parker, I think it is. I like it. That is, oh, couldn't see that side of it. That is a very nice glass, and it'll go with my black glass collections. And it goes with the cauldron that we got and the boo sign. Right, and that is it. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.